Hi friends, today I have another little review and unbagging video. This is my first time buying from this brand. It's called Cider, and you may or may not have seen other videos about it. I got really curious and again saw an ad or something for it, and something caught my eye and I was like, dang, I really want to try it. So that's what I did. I actually kind of, yes, hello? So needy. I actually kind of forgot what I ordered a little bit, so it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise for me too, but that kind of makes it more fun anyway. Yeah, I got a couple of things and I'm gonna try them on and see how they feel, how they fit, and let you know how that goes. So here is the bag. Yeah, let's open this. Okay, so I kind of remember now. I think I got a couple dresses. I got a couple winter things too, one of which is this really colorful sweater that is standing out the most to me right now, so I think I'm gonna start with that. So here's the sweater in the bag. Look how cute it is. It's like all rainbowy, which, you know, is kind of my thing. Oh, is that a rainbow flag? Oh my god, it's a rainbow flag. Anyway, I'm gonna try this on, and yeah, that's gonna be the first thing, I guess. But let me just take this out real quick just so I even remember what's in here. So I also got this sweater dress. Okay, this is the thing that got me to actually go on the website and like look through and make this order. Yeah, this is a really cute long winter like sweater dress, and this is like really nice if you're going out somewhere and want to be dressed up, but it's really freaking cold out, and yeah, you want to be warm and cute, this would be the dress to wear, so I'm excited for that too. Okay, all the stuff I got is all really cute and stuff that I like have never really owned before. So this is one of them. This is another dress I'm really excited for. Yeah, you'll see. And oh, hello, it's coming out the bag. I think this is a top that I got, and I was actually looking at a dress, I think, that was similar to this. I think they had a couple of things that were similar to this. It was either like the same fabric or the same kind of style, but yeah, I decided I was gonna try out this top and see how I feel first. Oh my god, that's so cute. There's stickers in here. I love stickers so much. These are so cute. Good vibes, peace and love 2022. Some cider stickers, and then some other like just cutesy little, oh, this is adorable. I love this. Wow, I love when they do this, when they throw in extra little things. Oh, and I think this is a dress that I got. Oh, this is a fun little bag. Look at that. That's cool. Okay. Yes, okay, that's it. So, let me try this sweater on first. Oh my god, you guys. I can already tell this is gonna be one of my favorite sweaters. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at it. So it's a cropped sweater, so obviously I would need to wear like probably high-waisted pants or leggings or something. But look, it's so colorful. Oh my god, I love it. And it's so warm and cozy. Dude, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Wow. I want to wear this all the time now. It's so cute and comfy. Oh my god, I like literally don't want to take it off now. Ugh. It's cold out here, dude. December is cold. Honestly, it hasn't even been as cold as it usually is in the winter, but still. If it's not the summer, I'm probably cold. So, I love warm and cozy things. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's really comfy, and it's like soft and just like, wow. I love it. I love it so much. I love the like kind of vapor wavy, like glitchy kind of situation going on here. Yeah, it's kind of busy, but like I feel like if I styled it with stuff that's like a solid color, probably black, honestly, then it would work pretty well. And it matches my hair right now. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next thing. Oh my god, dude, this is so pretty. Look at this. Wow, oh my god. Okay, I might need to get that dress now, because oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at, okay, also, I just want to say, I have never been like a glittery, sparkly kind of person, and this, when I saw this, I was like, I really wanted to try it, because the iridescence of it, that's what I like. The iridescence of it is so cool, like the color changing effect. Yeah, it's like a pinky purpley kind of color, and it's so pretty. Wow-wee. Oh, okay, I might need to go back and buy that dress now. This is so cute, and it fits really well. Like, I have no issues with it. It's like this crisscross situation in the back, and yeah, it fits me really well. I also feel like a lot of times, like this kind of style, the like cowl neck chest situation, it really depends on like the shirt or the, you know, whatever it is, how it's made, because a lot of times it doesn't look right on me, or like this is made like really low, and then it's like I don't really have much here to like hold it up. So it starts to look kind of weird, but this is like perfect for me. It has like a little bit of that hanging, but it's like higher up, so I'm not like at risk of revealing too much, you know? So yeah, like look at that. Wow. Yeah, I'm not like afraid of like, you know, moving around in this and falling out or anything. So yeah, I love this. This is great. Another win. Oh my gosh. So far this haul is absolutely amazing. Oh, the color! The color! Wow. Oh my god. Okay. So the next thing is this little satin slip dress kind of thing, and never owned one like this. Also, like I said, pretty much everything here, like I feel like maybe I've had a similar sweater, but yeah, otherwise everything in this haul is something never owned before. But so I was gonna pull these little strings in the back to like tighten it, but I wanted to show you how it looks. So this is how it comes when you just like put it on, and there's just like a string in the back. So let's tighten that up. Oh yeah, now that's sexy, baby. So yes, this is really cute. I'm just gonna tie this real quick. Wow, I really like this. It's also so comfy and so soft. Like this fabric, I just want to like touch the fabric all day. It's so nice. Oh my god. Okay, and it's got the same kind of cowl thing here, but again, it's still pretty like tight, so I don't feel like it's gonna expose me. So yeah, another win. Ooh, excuse me, I'm wearing my fuzzy alien socks. Oh, it's so comfy, bro. Every single thing I've opened so far has been amazing. Oh my god. It's so nice. It's so nice. I might need to like iron it, or probably not iron it, maybe like steam it or something. I don't know. I would need to look up how to take care of this fabric, but it's so freaking comfortable. Oh my god. Okay. Next thing, there's 2 left. Dude, oh my god, this is so freaking cute also. So I think I have to tie this, and this can be worn like on the shoulder or off the shoulder really. But yeah, I wasn't sure at first how to get into it, but there's an invisible zipper in the back, so that's how you do that. And the only thing is that it gets like a little bit stuck like around here, but it's not that bad. Like I could still use it. I actually thought that this was gonna be more of a corset kind of thing. It's really just like a fabric with like ribbons, I guess, in the front. Like there's not even, oh no, there is. Okay, there is a string. Ooh. Okay, I mean it's already tight all the way, so can't really tighten it much more. But so this is the only thing that I might like take in a little bit on the side here, like really just like a tiny bit. Just so it fits a little bit better, but otherwise it's pretty perfect. Look how cute! Look at these sleeves, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, I mean, I would say this is pretty much another win. Like I said, I might take it in just a tiny bit, but like, it's pretty perfect. Okay, and there's one thing left, and it is that winter sweater dress. And yeah, I'm excited to see how that fits and feels. So here we go. Okay, so here's the sweater, and again, super soft and comfy. Of course, by now I shouldn't be surprised with how the last 4 things went. But yeah, it's really cute. I really like it. It fits perfectly again. Dude, honestly, out of all of the different brands I've tried, this is the first one where I've gotten clothes that like actually fit me like right. Because pretty much everything else I need to take it in somewhere like a little bit here and there, or a lot sometimes, or just like the size is completely off. But here it was really just that dress, and like I can't leave it. I'm a perfectionist, so I want to take it in a little bit. But yeah, like I don't need to do anything with this dress. It's perfect. And so they actually, I think, also had a black version, but I decided to go with the gray this time. Normally I would just get the black because I really like the pattern on here, the like ribbing in the fabric. And on the black you really wouldn't be able to see it as much, and I also kind of wanted to try something other than black. But yeah, mostly because I wanted this pattern to be visible because it's really pretty. And also it comes with like a little bolero shawl type of thing made out of the same fabric, and also feels like it's gonna be super comfy. Oh my gosh, oh, this is so cute. This is like the perfect winter going out outfit. I'm like always cold, like I said, so this is like amazing. I love it. Like it's cold here right now in the apartment, and I don't want to take it off now because it's so nice and warm and comfy, and oh my god, it's not like a lot of like tight going out dresses where they're like uncomfortable, you know, and you really can only wear it for like a couple hours. Like I feel like I could live in this. And same with the sleeves. This is really cool too. I love that it's like a separate piece because, you know, I could potentially wear it like together or without this, or wear the sleeves with something else. So there's a lot of like playing around that I can do with this outfit, which I love. I definitely see myself wearing this bolero with other things because it's so easy to put on and it's so comfy. And I love that it's like a little bit oversized. There's some room here. I really like that. I don't know. I just like how it looks. And yeah, it's really soft. I mean, I feel like I've said that a bazillion times already, but on the back, it also covers my back, which is awesome because that's another cold spot, I guess. I don't know. Am I explaining it right? I don't know. It's so pretty, and it's got this little slit on the side here. So cute. Wow, yeah, I'm obsessed with every single thing I got. Oh, dude, this haul went so much better than I thought it would. Like, I mean, I was really hoping the stuff I got was like good quality, and it is, and it's all so worth it. Like, I don't think I wasted a single cent on this because I love every single one of these, and I can't wait to wear them because they're so cute. I want to show them off. Yeah. Wow, who would have thought? Okay, like I've heard of this company before, but I haven't really looked into them too much until now, and I love them. I love them so much. From the things that I got from my first order, like wow, I'm so impressed. Like I have no issues with the quality, with the sizing, with you know, like the texture and like how it feels. It's just so good. How did they do this? So many brands now like make really, I don't know, cheap versions of what you think you're gonna get, where the sizing just doesn't match with like, anyway, it's really frustrating a lot of times trying to find things that actually fit right. But I have a sewing machine, so like technically I can fix it, but still that's like a hassle, you know, and a lot of people don't have that, either the sewing machine or the skills to do it. So it's just like pretty big factor, I would say, when deciding which brands to shop for. And yeah, if you watch any of my other hauls, there's always at least one or a couple things that are just like off. So yeah, I'm so impressed, honestly. Wow. Yeah, so that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what your favorite piece was, and if you would wear any of these. I guess they were all kind of different, but I did get a lot of dresses in this one, which is surprising. I don't do that often, but they were so cute. I had to. Okay, yeah, comment what your favorite item was, and if you like this video, please leave me a like. And if you aren't subscribed yet, I have other hauls and lookbooks, and I make art, and I dye my hair and all that. If you think any of that is cool, then you should subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.